This is the Teccpo drill and impact driver combo. I just got it today, and well, let's get down to the unboxing. Wrapping paper. Teccpo. It's a strange name. Teccpo hammer drill impact driver. This is the TDCK01P. If you can see that. Let's get down to the unwrapping. Okay, pull it out of the box. Okay, first of all, there is Teccpo case. A lot more smaller than I thought. Inside the case, we have the stuff. We have flex shaft. The thing about this flex shaft is that it keeps the shape after you bend it, which is kind of cool. Apart from the fact that I wouldn't put a lot of stress on it. The next thing, bits. Everything fell apart inside it. There's a stopper here. I'm going to show you. You have to cut this little tab here. Break out this little thing. Well, some other time. And the case is actually very nice though. Put these aside. Now we get down to the real reason this video here. Some more boxes. Charger. Charger has some weight to it. The charger. Belt clip. 2 belt clips. This side. Another box. 20-volt batteries. T-power. Fuel gauge. 2 bars for the 3. Same thing with the other. Yes. 2 bars out of 3. 2 batteries. No. Impact driver. Actually nicer than I thought. Very nice. Light stays on for a couple seconds, just like in the DeWalt and in Milwaukee. That's a good sign. Now, the drill. Hammer drill. Yes. The model number on the drill is TDH D01P. I don't know if you can see that. I think this camera out of focus is. And impact driver model number is TDID01P. Okay, stay tuned for some drill tests and impact driver tests. Until next time, thank you for watching. Have a good night.